Today we're showing you a 2018 Kubota M5-091 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive cab tractor with a Kubota LA 1854 front loader. Tractor has just over 900 hours on it. It's a very clean tractor. Paint is excellent on the machine. Runs, works, and drives as it should. Does have the skid steer hook up here for your bucket connection. 6-foot front bucket. Does have the grill guard up front here. Lights and mirrors on the cab. The tractor also has the Radial Tires, which is a nice upgrade. Doors on both sides of the cab. Looks like the tire size back here is 16.9R34. Lights on the back of the cab. It's got dual remotes back here. Telescopic arms. If you're looking for a haying tractor or a tractor to feed with, this is a very nice fit for that. It's got the suspension seat here for the operator. Tilt steering wheel. Power reverser here allows you to change direction without clutching. 8-speed synchronized gear transmission. You've got 4 gears on this lever, high-low range on the other lever there. Also has the speed setting for your engine speed, the A/B toggle there. Easily set your engine RPM to whatever desired RPM you have for whatever job you have. Also has the loader control, park gear, remote levers, 3-point, and PTO engagement over there to the right. Up top you have radio and climate controls. Tractor also has the visibility roof here. This just slides back and then you can see out the top of the cab. It's a nice feature when you're stacking bales. Down below you've got foot throttle, kickstand for your tilt wheel, differential lock, brake pedal, and clutch pedal. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. We can't arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. Can also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any of our other tractors on our yard, we stock approximately 120 to 150 used tractors in all size ranges and all brands. If you have questions, please contact us or visit us on the web at masttractor.com.